Today, I've got two special pieces for you guys to look at. I'm going to show you one to start. The first one won't be for sale, however the second one will be. Let's get into it. First up, we have the infamous stainless steel 15407 ST Openwork with the double balance wheel. This is a crazy watch right now. The AP market, as you know, has gone absolutely crazy. A plain 15400 stainless steel nowadays, minimum 45k. This one actually retailed for 38k when we purchased it. However, this one is not for sale. This is a personal watch that we're keeping for the Trotters Museum. This is not for even DMing, so don't even DM me on it. Second up, you know they say unicorns don't exist? Well, I for one think that's a lie, as I do have a unicorn in front of me. This here is an ultra rare, again, 15407 ST, double sealed. You will not, mark my words, you will not find this watch anywhere in the world, guaranteed. If you buy this watch retail from AP, you will not get it double sealed how this is sealed. This is literally impossible to find, hence why I call it the unicorn. The good news is for you guys, is this one is actually for sale. It's 2020, box and papers. Like I said before, 15407 ST Openwork with the double balance wheel. Available in stock in London, in Trotters, 19 Great Winchester Street, for £275,000. For all you viewers out there, worldwide, because like I said, you will not find this watch worldwide. If you're from America, that's the equivalent of $375,000. If you're from anywhere in Europe, it's the equivalent of 330,000 euros. And if you're a crypto head and you're on Bitcoin, though I don't accept Bitcoin, it's the equivalent to 10.2 Bitcoin. Crazy price you may say, but like I said, if you do want a really one-of-one watch, hit me up.